ball hits the court. The clock is ticking. Every second counts.
Long-range three. It's good! At the buzzer!
Every move decides it all. Here on the courts, players break limits.
Incredible block!
They fly. They fall. They rise. Every moment, a story. Every moment, a legend. Hearts race. The crowd roars. The world watches. The stars don't just play. They create moments that last forever. Moments that make anyone fall in love with the game. Every move, every victory, every dream fulfilled. Here, on the courts, NBA is more than a game. It's passion, power, spirit. A legend reborn every day.